Yeah, it is. It is. It is. How is it different for you?
If you are the observer,
By the way, kahit na anong language, papatranslate ko na lang pag
kung
hindi ko
ikaw ang observer sir, kapag
Oh, patranslate ko man ba?
if you are the observer, you will observe the subject, what is he or she is thinking, or if you are in the position, what will you do?
Okay.
But in the operator side, if you observe the operator side, if you are the observer, you will observe that if it happens to you, what will you do? What are those feelings that you will encounter?
It's like you could see yourself from those positions.
But if you are in the subject, if you are the subject and you will listen to the operator, you will get excited. The feelings is mixed. You will be happy, you will get sad. So the different situation he or she expresses.
Right, right.
If you are the operator, you will share your feelings by means that it happens to you. You experience it.
How is this different from the first two rounds? Anong iba dito? Pansin mo merong iba, di ba?
Because this round has a specific role. You observe, just observe.
Right.
Listen, just listen. Share, just share.
Right. Have you noticed that those were the same instructions for the first two times? Same instructions. But this is the first time you really did it, right? And then iba kapag ginawa mo talaga, di ba? Yeah. Anong pinagkaiba? Kasi ang nadidinig ko sa sabi mo, parang this is the first time you actually listened. First time you actually were operator. First time you actually were observer. And the first two times, parang hindi pa, di ba? Parang gano'n yung feeling.
Hindi pa clear yung mind.
Right. It's different, isn't it? Yeah. Was the experience like deeper or richer? How did it feel?
Deeper.
Deeper. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Again, no wrong answers. Please share. What was your experience like? What was yours? Anybody else? Come on. It's different, isn't it? How is it different?
Parang gusto mong mag-react dahil tuwang-tuwa ka na dun sa kanya kwento niya, pero hindi ka pwedeng mag-react.
Yeah. Did it feel nice? Yeah. Yung time na hindi gusto mo mag-react pero hindi ka nag-react, were you trying to say something? Was it coming from wisdom? Why did you stop yourself? May saysay-bay sana yung sasabihin mo?
Parang gusto mo lang i-share na masaya ka din dun sa kanyang kwento niya dahil masaya siya.
Right. Sino kausap mo ng time na yun? Ramdam mo naman na masaya siya sa kwento mo, di ba?
Yes.
At di niya kailangan sabihin. Pansin niyo yun?
Yes.
Yeah. Have you noticed, this is a weird thing, have you noticed that you don't have to say something, pero parang may dumarating? Anybody have that experience? Like you're getting more information without having to say certain things. Right? Are you getting that? Okay. Anything else?
Masarap magkwento, lalo na nandyan at nakikinig sila, na nakikita mo naman na nag-enjoy din sila. Saka masarap yung dire-diretso mo na kwento kasi walang nakaka-interrupt sa'yo. Mas feel na feel.
Are you hearing this? Alala nyo kanina, kasi kayo small community tayo, tapos we kind of like everybody else and same culture, tagal nyo na rin dito, family na rin dito. So, sanay na kayo na nakikinig sa isa't isa. Pero, mapansin nyo ba between yung instructions sa makinig lang earlier, tapos yung nararamdaman yung naririnig, ano yung pakiramdam ng pinakikinggan ng ganito? Iba, di ba? What's the feeling? Like, ikaw yung tumatanggap, ikaw yung pinapakinggan, tapos parang ikaw lang, naramdaman yung parang ikaw lang yung nandun? Yeah? Okay. What's it like? Again, I'm okay with this. It can take some time. It's one of those experiences na, paano ko ba explain? That's okay. Share. Anything. What was it like? What was different? What was the same? What was different? Okay, let's try this. Raise your hands if there seem to be something different. Okay. Raise your hands if you wish you could explain it, but you're not really sure. How? That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Here's an invitation. Okay? Raise your hands and then tell me about your experience. Just start talking. Okay? Tell me what your experience was like.
Yung experience ko sa aking tatlo kasi, ako talaga, hindi na ako masyado talaga nagsasabi ko yung ano yung nararamdaman ko or ano gusto kong sabihin sa especially sa life ko. Kasi gusto ko talaga, kung nasa trabaho lang. Kasi pag nasa bahay ako, parang gusto ko, free talaga yung, wala akong iisip. Nasa bahay lang talaga ako. Kung ano ako yung maliit pa ako hanggang pag nasa bahay ako, ganun din ako gusto ko. So, pag nasa trabaho ako, saka ako siya nilalagyan ng
Okay.
Since ngayon, katrabaho ko yung kausap ko, so, ang pinag-usapan namin, ang English story ako kung ano yung nararamdaman ko. So, nakikinig naman siya. Ako nga yung pag minsan nagsasabi, hindi ka pwedeng magsalita. Kasi gusto niya lang mag-butt in. So,
Okay.
so parang baka doon na gusto niya magbigay ng, kasi ang dami kong share siguro. Baka kakaiba din yun sa kanila na narinig nila na kung mag-share yung.
Okay. Now do you know the difference between somebody who's actually listening and somebody who's listening in order to say something?
Yes.
There's a difference.
Yes.
Most people kasi listen para may masabat. Listen para may masabi. I'm kind of asking you, the question is, what's it like to be listened to for the purposes of listening? What's it like to be fully listened to be listened to just to be listened to? What's it like? Are you hearing this? Okay? And you've had another, not just one experience, di ba? What are the other experiences like? Yung hindi mo kailangan na magsumabat.
Nang nakikinig naman din ako, parang ang ganda lang. Nakikinig ka lang ng nakikinig talaga.
Nagkaroon ka naman ng experience within the 3 na napakinggan ka talaga, right?
Yes.
What was that like?
So parang parang okay naman siya na kasi parang masarap na pinapakinggan yung sinasabi mo na feeling mo naniniwala siya dun sa sinasabi mo.
Okay. Anyone help? Yeah? Are you gonna say something? No.
Yes po.
Yeah?
Masarap yung feeling na kinakausap mo yung naharap mo na kumbaga wala silang ibang sasabihin mo nilang inilang. Parang yung gusto mong ipaabot ay parang abot lahat ng mundo mong globe. Abot ng mundo. Kasi hindi ba yun ang feeling? Kasi wala silang masabi. Ikaw lang gusto mong ikaw lang salita. Parang ma-relieve yung gusto mong. Kumbaga ma-release mo yung gusto mong sabihin.
Yeah.
Yung mga nararamdaman mo.
Yeah. Let me clarify just one thing. It's a little deeper than that. What you're saying, I have no problem with what you're saying. It's nice. But it's more than wala silang masabi. Meron silang masabi. Pero yung choice was to say nothing. Malalim yun. Malalim yung hugot nun. Naramdaman nyo na rin sa mga kaibigan nyo yun, di ba? Yung alam nilang, gusto nila lang, alam mo, ang tanga mo, pero tumahimik sila. You've had that experience. Gusto ka ng batukan ng kaibigan mo, pero ang gagawin nila, hindi yung inis nila sa'yo, pero yung lalim ng pagkalinga sa'yo, yung lalim ng care nila sa'yo, ang papairalin nila. You've had that experience.
Yes.
Well, they will hold their tongue, they will bite their tongue, they will shut the fuck up because you just need to be listened to. You've had that experience, right? Okay. This is kind of like that, except a little deeper. Does that kind of make sense? Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Yeah.
Basta experience ko siya dun sa unang exercise.
Which one?
Yung tuloy-tuloy yung kwento mo. Na walang
Yeah.
Walang interruption. Na isasabi. Kaya para mas madaling dito sa amin masyado kasi acquainted dito ng gym eh. Kaya imbis naman, natatawa ako. Kasi yung mukha niya nakatawa eh. Parang kaya hindi ko siya minsan, parang ko ba sasabihin na may experience ko dito. Hindi ko makita yung mas nakita ko yun doon sa unang exercise.
That's fine.
Doon siya naramdaman. Kasi yung dalawang Yung dalawang kausap ko, actually, 4 kami, pero talaga nakapigil na sila sa akin.
Right. Okay.
Ito kasi medyo may reaction yung mukha eh.
Yeah. Okay, let me say this in a different way. Because surprisingly, we're talking about the same thing even here. Pansin mo na automatic na parang ang bilis ng takbo ng joke. Tas wala pang ang usap. Tas parang mas mabilis yung joke. It's still a function of connection. It's still a function of the depth of connection. It's just you're open. Have you guys, raise your hands if... Hey, raise your hands if parang ngayon nakita mo yung mga facial expression ng tao. Like, mas Okay? Like, may mga maliliit na konting react na ngayon mo lang napansin yun, or ang daming sinabi, higit pa dun sa sinabi niya. Raise your hands. Like, you're picking up something. Yeah. It's a depth of communication. 1 minute, 2 minutes. Are you getting what I'm saying? Okay? I would consider what it's like to be able to speak with nothing on your mind and to be able to listen with nothing on your mind and see where that takes you. Just as an experience. Okay? And quite surprisingly, the clearer your head is, the more you will hear. The more you will hear. As in, pag gusto mo nang sumabat, pero yung gusto mo nang sumabat kasi naiinis ka, na-agitate ka, naasar ka, rather than quiet ka lang, tapos pag gusto mo sumabat, tapos walang kwenta yung sasabat, wala ka naman kailangan patunayan. Alam mo yung, you have nothing to prove, you're just there listening, para ka nagkakawang gawa. It's like if you were the president of a really nice country and you were just being kind to someone. You're giving them an experience of you as a person, as another human being. You're being nice. You don't need anything. You just, and then if something comes by wisdom, you share. Does that kind of make sense? Okay. I would invite you, just quickly before we do our next exercise, write down any insights you got from this. And it's like same thing, huh? What did I get? What can I use this for? How would I use it? What's different about this?